Hello friend, today I am discuss about most important question for B.Ed exam. If you do B.Ed anywhere like Bihar, Haryana, UP, MP and any another state, then it is most important exam point of view, so you can prepare it without wasting of time. So let's start. Question number is 17. What is naturalism? What are the characteristics, principle and form of naturalism? The question is, explain epistemology by giving a special reference to naturalism. Answer is, meaning and definition of naturalism. In philosophy, naturalism is considered as the idea or belief that only natural law, as opposed to supernatural or spiritual and forces operate in the world. According to Brace, naturalism is a system where silent feature is the exclusion of whatever is spiritual. According to R.B. Perry, naturalism is not science but an assertion about science. More specifically, it is the assertion that scientific knowledge is final, leaving no room for extra scientific or philosophy knowledge. According to many naturalists, philosophy is a certain sort of reflective attention to the senses and it is continuous with them. They maintain that this is so not only in the sense that philosophy problems are motivated by the science but also in that its methods are not fundamentally distinct. Now we will discuss about characteristics of naturalism. Okay? Back to nature. Out of three essential factors of education, namely nature, man and object, naturalism gives prime importance to nature. Hence, its call is back of nature. According to naturalist, the best teacher of the child is nature. Hence, to develop the child according to his nature, education should provide natural environment. Okay. Next point is freedom of child. It gives prominent place to the concept of freedom in the education of the child. Next point is child centered education process. जो एजुकेशन होना चाहिए चाइल्ड सेंटर्ड होना चाहिए, बच्चे को केंद्र में रख के होना चाहिए. चाइल्ड ऑक्युपाइज द सेंट्रल एंड pivotal role in the naturalism setup. The child is nature is in the forefront where all other things such as education, the books, the curriculum, the school are in background. Next point is opposition to bookish knowledge. जो किताबी ज्ञान है बुक का, उसके अपोजिशन होना चाहिए, मतलब सिर्फ और सिर्फ बुक की नॉलेज नहीं, नेचुरल नॉलेज भी होना चाहिए, इन्वायरमेंट के बारे में भी नॉलेज होना चाहिए. इसी चीज़ के बारे में यहाँ पे बताया गया है. नेचुरलिस्टिक एजुकेशन इज इट्स अपोजिशन टू मेयर अकाडमिक नॉलेज एंड वर्बलिज्म ऑफ बुक्स. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज freedom of the child. Naturalistic education is to allow full freedom to the child to develop himself according to his natural tendencies. Next point is emphasize on the training of senses. Naturalistic education emphasizes the training of senses. Nothing is acquired by force from outside. Okay. Now we will discuss about principle of naturalism. The universe is a huge machine. Man is also a part of this machine and a complete machine in him also. Next point is life comes out of dead matter and is a sum total of physical and chemical reaction. Next point, all the capacities of an individual human being are delimited by his nature. Those are his innate and inherent tendencies and basic instincts. Point number 4 is unchanging law of nature explain all the events and occurrences of the world. Next point, the true explanation of reality can only be done in terms by physical senses. Next point, thought depend on physical circumstances. They are activated only when some external stimuli affect the body organ of an individual. Next point, forms of naturalism. Physical naturalism. This form of naturalism concentrates its hold on external nature. The law of physical nature govern the law of human life. The fundamental of this law is that the natural is good and civilized evil. Now we will discuss about mechanical naturalism. Mechanical naturalism regards man as a machine. Mind is well as man is matter. Mind is well as man is matter. He is mere machine devoid of spiritual soul. This machine is run by time guiding principle and these principles are natural. Next point, biological naturalism. Biological naturalism emphasizes the development of man is natural impulses, natural propensities and inborn tendencies. It has put forward the following principle of evolution. First, adaptation of environment, struggle of existence, survival of the fittest. तो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, होप यू विल लर्न समथिंग न्यू. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपने कुछ नया सीखा होगा. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.